Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get MasterClass Free Access legally. So if you've seen videos claiming that there's a secret trick to unlock every MasterClass without paying, then here's the reality. There isn't a legitimate way to permanently access all MasterClass courses for free. However, MasterClass occasionally offers official promotions, limited time discounts, and partner offers. You may also find free sample lessons, trailers, and previews on the official MasterClass website and YouTube channel. If you're considering a membership, then check the official MasterClass website for any current promotional offers before subscribing. Also, you need to avoid websites that claim to provide free premium accounts or downloadable courses, since many are scams or distribute unauthorized content. So that was the legal way to get MasterClass access. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.